Alright, welcome to YOUCANIC. So today, you say you need to replace this air box for whatever reason. Very rare that you would replace it, but if you needed to. We've got two clips here. You're just going to pop them up and pull this out, right? So we pop those up, and then if you just kind of pull on this, up and out, it'll snap right out. And here's the air box that we're trying to get to. We've got a 10mm right here that we're going to go ahead and remove, right? So we've got our extension here. Go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt. Okay, so we've removed that 10mm bolt. And then over here, we've got a clamp that's right under here. Go ahead and remove that, or just loosen it, not necessarily remove it. But we have to loosen it enough. Okay. Also the same process, we're going to go ahead and loosen this bolt. Okay, so it's loosened. Then there's a little electrical clip right here. Squeeze it together, push it out, pull this out, right? And then you got a clip here to undo. Pull that back. So that's your mass airflow sensor wire. And then, since we've loosened all that, you just kind of pull this up and then pull it apart because we loosened this clamp. There's a connector back here we want to undo, right? And then your air box is out. You can do that same process also for when you want to do the air filter. It makes it a little bit easier to be able to do that instead of try to open it in down there. So the air filter, we would just pop these two clips, pull it out, clamp it back together, right? So we've removed our air box. Then we're going to just go ahead and put it back in. Line up your hose here, back up, and that's connecting these two hoses for the intake. And then I'll line back up, and then there's some pegs with some rubber grommets. I'm going to line them up over here and just push it down. Right, then you got this hose clamp back side here. Make that back up and go ahead, make sure you push this connector back through here. Nice little snap, a little snap here. Connect this thing back in, kind of stretch it a little bit, it goes in better, this and that. And then we go ahead, put this bolt back in and tighten her up. And make sure we don't forget to tighten this one up. Pull out, replace our air intake box. I'll lock these. I'm going to go ahead and put this like this, kind of from the top, pop it down, there, and then you would go ahead and push these clips in and push it in the hole and then clamp them back together. That is how you do your air intake box.